In this piece, the varied elements of nature such as water, fire, space, earth and air are depicted through movements and props. Here you would see the dancers dancing behind and in front of veils, suggesting the various aspects of nature that unites our rhythm of life with that of the cosmos. Elements.
Stand Smart. We thank you so much for coming out this evening and supporting a wonderful dance troupe. Give another round of applause for the young ladies. Rochester is cold and gray outside, but we felt the warmth and passion of India inside today. I'd like to introduce Dr. Uma Gupta, which is the Executive Director, CEO, President of Stand Smart, and she has a few words to say.
It is indeed my great pleasure and privilege to be here before you today on behalf of STEM Smart. STEM Smart is a non-profit organization that is dedicated, I'm trying to escape the light, thank you, that is dedicated to help women, particularly girls, from disadvantaged backgrounds, get a college education and pursue a career in STEM. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Unlike other parts of the world, where you find that there is this mind-numbing opulence and gut-wrenching poverty that coexist, and you can see it in the United States of America, it's not always obvious. Poverty is often hidden behind a veil of affluence. But I assure you, poverty exists in Rochester. I'm going to take a moment to share with you a couple of statistics. Rochester is the 11th worst city in the US when it comes to poverty. 1 in every 4 child lives in poverty. The student poverty rate in the Rochester City School District is nearly 88%. That means that only 12 out of 100 kids do get an opportunity not to use the lunch program. So STEM Smart develops programs to work with girls to see how we can help them break the cycle of poverty. And so your presence here and your contributions here will go toward whatever programs you deem fit. You can customize the programs. We welcome you to join hands with STEM Smart to help us in whatever way works for you. It could be your time, it could be your talent, it could be your dollars, whatever it is. The Asian Indian community is renowned for its commitment to education. Often, with our children, we tell them that if they want food on their plates, they better bring home good grades. And they do, because we know that we will execute that threat rather flawlessly. So they do deliver that. Now it's time for us. It's our obligation and an opportunity to join hands to help others who may not be that fortunate. There are many teenagers in this audience, and we do expect you to go to a great college and to launch a great career. That's the least that you can do, because all the odds are in your favor. What we hope you will do, in addition to that, is to make a difference in the world. We certainly hope that you will give of your time and talent to make those who are needy, to give them a helping hand. So once again, I want to thank you. And it was Parvata's generosity that she invited STEM Smart to this event and decided to dedicate the proceeds from this event to STEM Smart. So on behalf of STEM Smart, there is one and only one Parvata Chidambaram. In Rochester, in the United States, in the world, according to me. Of course, I love Parvata for the choreography, for the dance that she does, but she does more than that. What Parvata does is to teach our children the power of determination, of commitment, of perseverance. I know many parents in this audience can relate to their kid coming home and saying, my body is hurting so bad, I can't even feel it anymore. And the next day they wake up and they go again to Parvata's dance, and she expects higher standards from them. And they deliver flawlessly every time because of who she is and what she gives of herself. In the truest sense of the term, she is what we call a guru to our children. So Parvata, on behalf of all the parents and everybody else who's here in this audience, behind every crazy woman, there is a man. I'm sure you all know that. And often the men think that the craziness will go away and that the women will get better. But it doesn't. We only get crazier by the minute. And the individual that I'd like to thank for putting up with all the craziness that Parvata generates is Ramesh. Where is Ramesh? there in a minute. Ramesh puts up with a lot, and for those of you men who have women who are focused, who are passionate, who want to change the world, you know what Ramesh puts up with on an everyday basis. But he does, and he does a great job. While we wait for Ramesh, I want to take a moment to share with you something. A few months ago, Parvata lost her grandmother. So on behalf of her grandmother, Rajeshwari Mohandas, who raised Parvata and obviously has done a great job, we have decided STEM Smart will be dedicating 40% of the proceeds from today. We don't know what it is. By the way, there's a buy one, get one free in the snack boxes, so please contribute. 40% of the proceeds will go toward feeding children during the summer, children from disadvantaged backgrounds who don't get their food substance from the school programs which otherwise they participate. That donation will go in Parvata's grandmother's name, and we are delighted to do that. Finally, I must take a moment. Oh, Ramesh is here. Ramesh, please. Don't they look great as a couple? Thank you, Ramesh, on behalf of all the parents for all the hard work. Many of the props that you saw today were Ramesh's creations, along with others as well, and they've done a great job. I also would like to take a moment to thank the volunteers at the food court. Last night till 1 p.m., some of them were making the mango lassi that I'm sure several of you enjoyed today. So they come together. We are very blessed. Behind, just as how Parvata has Ramesh, my husband is Ashok Gupta, and he puts up with a lot of craziness as well. So he and his team came together, and they really did a fabulous job in the food court. So we thank you on behalf of everybody who enjoyed the samosas and the pakoras. Finally, I want to say a word of thanks to the parents. You put up with a lot, and you help and support art and creativity, and so we thank you. And so I'm going to hand the microphone over to Parvata. Again, thank you for your support. It means a great deal to us. And just on behalf of STEM Smart, if you don't have our phone numbers, we have a website, stemsmart.org. Please contact us, help us in any which way that you can. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma. 6 weeks back, if you had asked me whether we're going to do a show of this kind, I was not sure. As Uma said, I had lost my granny, who was more of a mom to me, who used to wake me up at 5 every day morning, making us perform and practice. And I think this was a blessing in disguise that this came on, and I should really thank all my parents who was such a support to me while Ramesh was in India, and they said, do what you want to do. And I said, okay, I would do it, and they have been of immense support, and my students, and they have been such a distraction for me, and that I have not really thought things through, yet it is not sunk in. Thank you, I really owe you something big. And I really would like to quickly thank all the volunteers from my behalf, Rashmi Hande on the photography, and Vilas Ankolekar, Shekhar Purushothaman, and Nilesh Patel on videography, light technician Ramesh, audio technician Dave Anderson, and dance props, Milan, Radhika Ramesh, Raji Sadashivam, Sandhya Sharlashkar, Shruti Pandya, group volunteers, Aruna Bhargava, Jyotsna Punuri, Madhvi Dikshit, Radhika Ramesh, Sandhya Rao, Sandhya Sharlashkar, and Shruti Pandya. Without all of them, none of this is possible. Thank you all. We have something for them, but they're refusing to come up on stage. So with no further ado, I really would like to thank every one of you to be here and support us, and STEM Smart as well. Thank you. Have a good evening. Bye.